Hello, my name is Zainab Pope. I am an Indiana State nursing student. My topic for today is about incompetence among workers in healthcare. At the end of my presentation, viewers or the student will be able to identify incompetence among co-workers, various ways of identifying incompetence or laziness in a co-worker, various ways of dealing with a coworker in the work environment. Incompetence among workers is a dilemma affecting work environment in all industries and places of work. It can cause present dire consequences, especially in the healthcare industry. Healthcare is involved with providing medical service which are closely monitored to avoid any inconveniences. Irresponsibility in the healthcare unit can cause life-threatening dangers that are not taken lightly in the medical field. A survey that was conducted on nurses demonstrated that they do not entertain laziness or incompetence in their respective places of work. There are various ways of identifying incompetence or laziness in a coworker. They are always late. They spend most of the time trying to avoid work. They don't put in as much effort as they are required to. They always provide excuses to cover up their laziness, and they are always unorganized. Unproductive employees may be described as having some of all of the following behavior. Their work is often below par and never excels. They spend more time trying to avoid work than doing them. They are lazy. They can't get their act together. They rarely put in the amount of effort you would like them to or that you think is necessary. They are always late. Late for meetings, late for work, late for getting project completed. There are various ways of dealing with lazy co-workers in the work environment. I have a private chat about their poor behavior. Give constructive feedback about what is going on and remind the co-worker how important their role is to the company, and you know that they can always perform well. Don't let them distract you. Don't spend your day focusing on the fact that your lazy coworker is constantly checking Facebook, texting, or snoring at the desk next to yours. Try to tune them out and focus on your work. Set clear goals. Give a clear direction that the lazy co-worker should be working towards, and be sure they agree on this target, like setting a goal to accomplish within the week. Offer more training by refreshing their knowledge or to expand on their current skills and learn new process. Create consequences. Once given the tools that the lazy co-worker need to progress, like the training, set some consequences in place in case the co-worker do not deliver after the co-worker failed to complete a project on time, and you can advise them that you will need to give a formal warning if they do not improve within a set period. Get to know their interests. Knowing their interests can help to increase their strength, and most likely the lazy coworker will enjoy some aspect of their job, which means you should give them duties that relate to their interest. Document poor behavior. You need to have a written proof of poor performance and steps you took to help the lazy coworker and to check if there has been any improvement. Do not gossip or complain to other colleagues because it is unprofessional and could cause misunderstandings and hurt the lazy employee's feelings. Communicate with the coworker because he or she may not be lazy. Instead, they may be unclear of their tasks and deadlines, and be clear about goals, deadlines, and commitment. Do not say agree or say yes to projects that require your coworker to work at full capacity. Maintaining a good attitude, be more alert and assertive, and keep the relationship professional. Don't get caught in the issue of fairness. Life isn't fair. People often say it's unfair. It's unclear that you get away with doing nothing. But at the end of the day, it really doesn't change anything. By pointing out that it's not fair, we make ourselves feel bad and the situation doesn't change. Instead, focus on being the best that you can be. Don't let the lazy coworker become your attitude. A lazy colleague can hinder your progress. If your boss notices working isn't getting done, don't let the blame fall on you. This is your opportunity to speak up if you haven't done so really. Using this opportunity to become a leader, this may be your chance to really step up and prove you can deal with difficult situations. When you go to your boss, tell him or her that you've noticed your colleague isn't getting their work done, so you will like the opportunity to be a leader. Then approach your colleague and say you want to help him or her meet their goals and deadline. This frame you as a leader. Don't say yes or no when the lazy coworker asks you for help. Be always open-minded to help your lazy coworker.